First of all, you need to go to Papercut website. Here, Papercut Mobility Print software is here. You should click on download it now. And you see there are three options, one for Windows, second for Mac OS, and the third one is for Linux. Now, since myself is using Windows here, so I will download for Windows. Now just click on download now. If you are using Mac OS, then you should click on Mac OS button, or if you are using Linux, then you can use this. So I'm clicking on download now. After that, it will download the software. It may take a few seconds depending upon your internet speed. Then install this, and after a few steps, it got installed. During installation, internet connection is necessary. Now you need to make an account on this website. So I'm going to create here. Just here username and the password. You can make any password as you like. And then name of organization, whatever the name you want to write here. And then just click on create. You may need to save this password. Now this was the installation process. Now we need to select some printers here. Just click on select printer. It will show all the printers installed in your PC. I'm using these three printers. The first one is Ricoh, the second one is Printershare, and the third one is Epson L130 series. Keep it on for the printer you want to share. Next, discoverable on local subnet. Discovery options are there. Leave it as it is. And enable cloud print. You can enable this, connecting to cloud server. Before completing the next steps, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, then click on the subscribe button and also press the notification icon. If you want to write some description here, just write here that this is my cloud printer. No expiration, and printing expiration date, no expiration. If you fix some date here, then it will expire on the date. So I'm leaving it no expiration. Then click on generate link, and here is the link. You just copy to clipboard. It is copied, and you can save it for future reference. Just click on new text document, and I am opening this document here and just paste this and save. Now let's move back, and here is this is the case. Here is the guide for Windows. You can see it here. If you face any kind of difficulty, you can use this guide also. But as I told you, every step in this case, I think you do not need of this guide. Now the next step is to download and run Mobility Print Installer, which you can download from this link. Just click this link, open file. Yes. Okay. I accept. Now, which printer you want to use as your cloud printer, then just select here, click on next, and click on finish. Now let's test whether the printer is ready to print or not. Let me select a PDF here and print. You can see printer is here. And in this way, you can print from any computer to any printer, anywhere in the world. This is very interesting. Now let's move towards the mobile printing. How you can print from your mobile. For that, you just need to download an application. The link of the application is given into the descriptions. From where you can download that. And again, there you have to follow some steps. Let's do that. After installation, open the app, and you see here, the first option is tap here and check the mobility print service is on. So just click on this, and you see mobility print option is there, which is at third number in this case, and that is on. You can print any type of document from your mobile. Let's try to print a document from my mobile phone. I'm just opening a PDF document from my mobile phone and click on this menu and print. you will see some printers are there, and you can see here is the printer, just sliding old printers. Then you can see the first one is Ricoh SP, and this is my mobility print. Here it is written, which is on my PC. The name of PC is also shown here. So you can use this printer from anywhere in the world, and you can print the document from your mobile. Here are some options for setting the page. You can set the page, and you can set how you want to print this, that is color, orientation, etc. All the settings are given here. And after doing all the settings, you just click on the print button and click OK. And this way it will print the document from your mobile to the printer which we connected to this mobility print option. So in this way you can simply print the documents. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.